Hi everybody, it is Julie from Nobody's Beauty Guru. Thank you for joining me here on my channel today. If you're new to my channel, please stick around, click subscribe. I put out makeup videos every Tuesday and Thursday, or at least that's my general goal. Today I am here with my January favorites. I have never done a favorites video on this channel, and I have had a channel for almost 2 years, and maybe 2 years now. I don't even know. But I have never done a favorites video, which sounds crazy to me because it's one of the easiest videos to make and just kind of like the simplest content I could possibly manufacture for you guys. And I've never done it. So I'm going to sit down and go over a couple different favorites with you. I, again, do pretty minimal makeup. If you're interested in how I did this makeup look, it is in a Get Ready With Me that will be on Valentine's Day as a part of a collab. So you can look forward to that in a coming video. But in the meantime, I'm going to go over a couple of the products that I've been using. I use pretty much the same thing every single day, regardless of my eye look. My eye look changes, but like the rest stays the same. So we're going to start off with base products, I guess. I have been using the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Trio in no particular order. I just take a giant fluffy brush and I use this to set my primer. I've been using the Up and Up brush from Target and loving this. I just literally dust it into everything and then go all over my face. Do I think it's worth the price point? No. Do I think that it gives my skin a very nice glow when I don't have foundation on and I want a little bit of like a dewy look to my skin? Yes. I like the way this makes my skin look. I don't think it's necessarily worth the price point, but I have been enjoying using it, so I guess that's a favorite for me right now. I also have been enjoying this Wet n Wild Fergie collection. This one is in Hollywood Boulevard. I'm pretty sure this has been repackaged, and the color does still exist, just under a different name. This is a beautiful highlighter that I thought I was going to be really afraid of, but it works so well and it all blends very, very nicely. It's not what I'm wearing today because I'm trying to pan something else, but I will be eventually trying to hit pan on this because I think it's a gorgeous, gorgeous highlighter for the price point and a pretty dead-on dupe to Champagne Pop. And for that price point, you can't beat it. I also have been loving my NYX Taupe Blush. Spoiler for my peeping pan, I did hit pan on this, and I like this. It's a great cool-toned contour. I've been using this pretty much non-stop to be able to hit pan on it. I've also been using it in the crease as an eyeshadow and loving it that way as well. And in particular, I really love it with this brush. So this is the BH Cosmetics 114 brush. This is a part of a larger set, but I think that this gets into my contour really well. So I can get it just kind of on the edge of the brush, put the line there, and then blend it out. I think this does a great job with contour. I think this is a fantastic brush for my contour. Oh, also, for the highlighter, I've been loving this Crown brush, and it doesn't have a name. It's just their, like, duo fiber stipply brush, but I like this with my highlight. I used it today with Steela's Kitten, and Steela's Kitten is an eyeshadow that's very loose, so this does pick up a little bit more than you need, but because of the way the brush is, it applies it very, very gently, so it doesn't look like too much. I've really been loving that brush. Also, a favorite is this Bite Beauty multi-stick. This is the first multi-stick that I've had, but I like Bite Beauty in general. This one is in Gelato, which is this like mauvey, purpley, grayish-y color. You're not really sure how it's going to look. This is what I have on for blush today. It's what I've been using for blush pretty much every single day. You can use this on your lids as like a monochromatic look from... I don't like it on my lips. I do like it on my lids. So you can use this kind of all over. But I like this sheared out as a blush color. It is beautiful. So these are very, very natural ingredients. They do go bad, so I am trying to pan that this year because I want to get my money's worth out of it. And I happen to really, really love the way it looks on my skin. So I've been loving Bite Beauty. My brows are a constant struggle. I know this because you guys comment on them all the time, telling me how bad they are. I get it. I'm not good at brows. But I do really like this Essence Make Me Brow Eyebrow Gel Mascara. This has little fibers in it. It is colored, so it gives you a little bit of color coverage and a little bit of filling in. It's got a tiny little spoolie. It works really well for me. I like it. I have like about 4 of them, so I better like it because I have a lot to go through. It does have little fibers. It does already cling to the brows that you have, so it gives it a little bit more fullness, and I just happen to particularly really enjoy it. Next up are a couple of eyeshadows. I have an unnamed MAC shadow. If anybody knows what this one is, definitely let me know. I had a couple MAC shadows from forever and a day ago when I still bought MAC and they were still cruelty free, which means this is a very old shadow. So I'm trying to use it up this year. I do really like it. It is a beautiful color. It's a really pretty mauvey, purpley toned color, and I think it's gorgeous. It's what I'm wearing through my crease today. And then I also have Glass Bull by ColourPop, which is a new shadow for me that I have been loving. It's a gorgeous duochrome. That is what is on my lid today, and you can see that underneath the MAC shadow. I have it on my lids today underneath a different color, which you'll see in my Get Ready With Me. It has been pretty much what I've been wearing non-stop. And then when I'm not wearing this color combination though, and I feel like I can go with a red lip, I've been loving this. So this is one of the things that I'm trying to pan this year. This is ColourPop's Juju Rouge Matte Lipstick. I've been loving reds. I didn't know that I would, but it's a thing that I really love. It is a creamy matte formula. It looks fantastic on the lips. It's not too drying, but it does settle down and like last for a really decent amount of time. I suppose I should also mention these e.l.f. wipes because I'm cleaning my hand with them, but I love the e.l.f. makeup remover wipes. You guys know that. They show up in every single empty that I've ever had. So those are kind of my makeup favorites right now. They're what I've been using on a pretty much regular basis. I've been cycling through mascaras. I don't really love the primer that I'm using. So those are the ones that I've been really loving for the month of January and using pretty religiously, at least especially these eyeshadows. It's almost all I've been wearing. So that has been it for my January favorites. I hope you guys have enjoyed my first favorites. I look forward to perhaps next year going through and letting you guys know what I still think about these favorites. I like doing series where I can start now and then know that next year I'll have another series I can continue with to look back on some of these things. So hopefully I can continue with this through the rest of the year and remember to make these videos because it's been something that I haven't made in the past. And I think a part of that is only having 2 videos a week and wanting to make sure it was quality content, and I didn't know how exciting my favorites would be. And doing panning, I was really using a lot of the same products over and over again. This year, I'm really trying to rotate other things in and out of my makeup every week and every month. So I should hopefully have some different favorites for you as we go through this year. But that's been January's. If you guys have liked this video, you like this kind of a video and this kind of content, definitely let me know in a comment down below or with a thumbs up because it will kind of guide me through the rest of the year in what I make for you guys. So thank you so much for watching. If you are interested, you can always find my social media and other channel links down below. And that's it for this one. So if you liked it, please do give me a big thumbs up, click subscribe, click that little notification bell, and I will see all of you in my next video. Bye guys.